to my channel. It's your girl Saha. I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to put on falsies, just strip lashes, nothing too dramatic or anything. People always ask me how I apply my false lashes so good, and whenever I'm working, there's customers that ask me, oh, are those your real lashes or are they fake? You know, that's how good I put them on. But I want to show y'all exactly how to put them on just the same as I do and make them look just as real. I know in my last how to false lash video, I didn't get too close to my eyes, but I think today I'm going to zoom in and show y'all exactly step by step on how to do it. And before we get straight into this video, click the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. So you guys, I don't feel like zooming back out, but these are the lashes I'm using today. It's by the Sephora collection, Lash Stories, and it's the Ouch lashes. And I also have the Sephora collection eyelash applicator, I guess, or eyelash tweezers. And I'm also going to be using the Duo fast drying glue. You all know how to already put the glue on the lash. The hardest part is actually just applying it, and that's what I'm going to show y'all today. Not really going to show y'all how I put the glue on because I think that's just unnecessary. Alright, so the glue is on the lash, as y'all see. And typically with other lash glues, you leave it on for 30 to 40 seconds. But with this one, I think we're just going to leave it on for 20 seconds because it's a fast drying glue. And to prep your eyes for lashes, you do want to put on mascara like I did right here. Ignore my funky nails because I'm about to get them done. But anyways, this is pretty much dry because I've been talking for like about over 30 seconds. I'm going to just go ahead and apply it. So you want to start at the end first and just press it on. As y'all see, it's on there completely. And then what I usually do is I'll grab the tweezers, or you can use any type of tweezers if you want, and I'll just like kind of push it back like that, you know. So I'll grab the lash and kind of push it back. But I'm not going to do too much to the middle part because as soon as you put the front on, it automatically fixes. I usually turn my tweezers like this, and I'll grab the front of the lash and just stick it right on there. This is the part where I grab my fingers and I kind of like just push it back to make sure every single part of the lash is on my eyelid. As y'all see, that's completely on there. And to make it look realistic, you'll want to kind of grab the top part of your skin right here and kind of pull it down. Like, I don't know if y'all can see this, but I kind of do that, and there you go. See, it's all completely on there, except this back part, but honestly it looks like it's completely on there, so who cares if this little part is not on there. You have to really just worry about the front because the front is the part that always comes off. And a lot of people will have problems with like tearing up like I'm doing now. Usually what I'll do is fold my napkin, place it right on my waterline, and just blink. And that'll get all of the excess water. And I'll go back into the corner and just kind of dab it on there. Kind of gets rid of it. If your eyes water easily, I'd say put this back part on first. And then give yourself some time to blink. And then that's when you can apply this side. But if you feel like you're about to tear up, always just stop what you're doing and just blink because it's not that serious. So after it's kind of dry, I'm gonna just go back in and kind of press it all down. Also, you guys, you can do this with tweezers. You don't need this fancy schmancy eyelash tweezers. So I'm gonna go a little faster on the other side, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that as well, and then we're gonna end this video because I don't like making it too long anyways. There's my other eye. You guys, my lashes are not that long, I know. So you just let the glue dry, And as y'all see, y'all can still like tell that it's not completely dry because it's still that white color that it comes out of when it's in the tube. Once it turns like completely blue, that's when it's dry. But you don't want to leave it blue for too long. You see like the whiteness on this area is going away. So it's about to completely dry. Okay, so this end right here barely has any glue left on it, and whenever you see that it's about to disappear, because this is clear glue, once you see it's about to disappear, you need to hurry up and put it on. So you start from the top and you bring it down. Oh, sometimes your tweezers will do that, but don't worry, just clean them off and go ahead on the fronts, place them down, make sure they're even with the other lash. You see guys, this part is kind of coming off because my eyes were tearing up, but it's still sticky, so I'm gonna just kind of press it back down on there with my finger. Go back in with my finger and just kind of push it back. Make sure it's all stuck to my eyelid so I don't walk around with half of my lashes off. And again, ignore my nails. I know they're like so ugly right now, but I'm not worried about that. And then I'm gonna grab my eyelid and kind of press it down onto the lash, and voila, there we go. These are some simple steps on how to put lashes on, and honestly it is not that hard. I usually use this to curl it even more. Like I'll kind of grab it and like twist it a little bit, and it gives it that extra curl, which I really like. Oh, my eye was stuck. Okay, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. If you did, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like I just said earlier in this video. And give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so I'll know you're supporting me and watching me. Why do I look so yellow right now? But my camera's about to die and I'm trying to hurry up and do the ending before it actually dies, and I have to go get my other battery. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.